Hello everyone, welcome to Cook with Asimi. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make cake slices and how you can market them, and also how to design a logo that makes your brand to stand out. So let's get into the video. To make a delicious cake slice, you need whipped cream, and I have a recipe on how to make whipped cream on my channel. And then you need this triangular cake box or any other cake slice box that you prefer, and you need the serrated cake knife, but if you have a knife at home you can use that. And then these are the logos we are going to use for the cake slice. You can see how pretty they are. So for this, I'm using three flavors of cake. Coconut cake, you can see I sliced it. Chocolate cake. If you want recipes on how to make these cakes, is up on my channel. So this is the chocolate cake, which I divided into two perfect halves, and I'm also going to divide the red velvet cake into two perfect halves. You can see. So this is the whipped cream we are going to use. I added a bit of color into this. So we are going to spread out the whipped cream on the coconut cake. To make cake like this is actually very easy. Like, it doesn't require anything. The only thing it requires is for you to just bake the cake and allow it to cool down. So I'm going to add the red velvet cake on it, and then also add the whipped cream on it too. So we're going to smoothen out the whipped cream and also add our last layer for this, the chocolate cake. Some cake slices, they use the same flavor of cake. You can do that, but to just have like different mix of flavors, that's why I used coconut, red velvet and chocolate. It always makes a difference in the tastes. So we're going to cut out the rough edges, and then I'm going to just slice it. You can see the way I slice it. So I cut it into a triangle so that it will fit into the cake box. So whatever cake box you get from a cake store, if it's triangular, if it's square, you just cut your cake slice into the shape of the box you get. So that's the easy way to make a cake slice. Presentation really matters in business, and that's why I'll be adding a fork and also my business logo, so that my customers will enjoy premium snack and they can also eat it wherever they are, because it makes it easier for them. And I'll also add my business logo so that it will be easier to remember my brand and they can still contact me if they need more cakes. So let me teach you the simple way to design a business logo. First, you download the Canva app. You can get it on Play Store. So you click on the Canva app and you're going to search templates. You will see the box there. You can search different templates of different business ideas you have, but for this video we are going to do cake business logo. So let's look at the different template logo design. For this crown that you are looking at there, that means it's a paid version, but since we are not paying, we want to use the free version, so just click on the ones that does not have the crown on it. But if you can pay, beautiful. But me, I'll be using the cupcake sticker for my own design. So I'm going to put that in the search box, and then look at the different designs that are available on Canva. You can't go wrong with Canva. So I'll be picking this blue design because I really like how simple it is, but it still tells a story about my brand. So to edit is very simple. You just click on the text, clear those texts, and then I'll be writing the name of my brand, Asimi. Yes. So in that place, if you can see, the words cupcakes and more, but me, I don't want that. So I'm going to edit it to cakes and more, because I do cake slice, I do cake parfait, I bake cakes, different flavors of cakes, so I do a lot more. So I'm going to edit the phone number to where my customers can reach me. So it's very advisable to put your own country code, so that because the internet, you can go really far. So just use your own country code and also put the location of your business. So I'm going to, in that same space of the phone number space, I'm going to write location of my business, which is Lagos State. So you can even see there the words, thank you for supporting our business. You can put your website, whatever you want to do, and then you just click on save your design, and this is it. You to prepare it, and then your design is just saved to gallery, so you can take it to any printer shop and print it out. So next, let's do the second design. You can see how easy that one was. Cake business stickers. So we are going with the prompts of cake business stickers, so you can see the different designs on Canva, but we are using that pink one. Let's just look through it to see the different designs. You can see how pretty they are. I really like this black and white one. Like, it's so simple. Like, I like simple designs. I don't know why. So we're going to use this pink one. This is that one pink color or peach. Okay, so we are going to pick this design. So you can see on the different place, you can adjust your vibrance, your saturation, your shadows, your tints, your anything. If you are using a picture, this option will actually really go far with you. For this Magic Studio, it's a paid version, so we are not going to use that. For the filters, you can see there are different type of filters there. If I click on different filters, you will see that the box will change in color. You can see. So this option is really good because if you have a brand color, like if your brand color is purple or pink or yellow, you can actually change it to whatever color you desire. I actually like this lilac color because it's really pretty, so I'll be using it for the purpose of this design. So we are going to go to another option. So in that option, you can see the effects. You can see blur will just change everything, like it will change the background. Just, if you go on Canva, just try to play with audio buttons. I feel that's how you become more proficient in using Canva. When you try out like different options, different effects, different filters, different prompts, it actually makes your design to stand out. We are using a template, yes, but we can still change the color of the box. You can still change the text on the box. You can still change a lot of things. So yeah, so you can see the stroke weight, like those lines down it. You can increase it, you can reduce it, anything you want. Just the look you are going for is on Canva. Why is it as if I'm advertising Canva? But it really helps like creators to bring out their mind. So you can see the different options that are available for you on Canva, like a lot of options. So I'll click on that every others matters thank you because I want to change the prompt. So I'm going to write thanks for your patronage. So I prefer this to the other words that were on it. So just click on it and it will actually align with the box. You can see enjoy every taste, thanks for your patronage. Very simple. If you want to add a text box, you can just click on this and add your own text box. You can see if you want to add a picture from your gallery, you can just click on your gallery and it will bring out different options from your gallery. So these are my gallery looks like right now. If you don't watch my cake parfait video, go and watch it. So if you want to add elements to it, you can just put different shapes. You can see graphics. You can even use AI image generator to generate your own image. You can even put anything, and you can also change the color of your text. I'm just playing around with the color that are available on Canva. You can see there are endless colors available, and I'll go with this color. Then I'm going to click on that arrow sign and save my image to my gallery. It's very easy, quick. Just use your templates, use your prompts, save to your gallery, and then you take it to a printer shop that print out stickers for businesses, and there you have it, your logo for your business. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for